It's a good day to be alive. I got two friends. Both of them are here. Tommy's working on the 40.
What's happening?
Look at his hoodie. Representing, son.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're finally getting ready to put the T56 in the truck. Hopefully. A couple things to note. We didn't have a stock style Crossmember anymore, but it was, well, here it is. This is what we had, but it was made just in the same location as the stock Crossmember. It did not work. We needed it moved back 2 inches. This is what it used to look like here. So got rid of that. I had my man Barry Koester make this for me. He's got his own plasma table. He just tacked it in for us, so I had him make this 2 inches longer. He tacked it in. We're gonna give it a whirl, make sure it works, and then we'll finish weld and paint it. Hold up a sec. I'd like to talk to you about today's video sponsor. That's not true. No one wants to sponsor us. It's fine, I understand it. But I would like to give a shout out to my man Barry, who I just told you helped me modify my Crossmember. Barry and his dad a couple years ago got a CNC plasma table and decided to try and make some money on the side, making custom signage. They made me this sign right here. You guys noticed that in the background before? LED lights. On the brink, built and broken America. Yeah, he made me that. He's helped me fix this Crossmember. I've gotten a couple other things from him, big, little, whatever. He'll do whatever you want. He's a great welder, great American. They actually just went LLC, so they're official now. He's teaching his boys how to do it. He's got, what are they, 12 and 15, and they're better welders than me. So I'm gonna put his email for the company in the description. If you guys want anything custom like this, tell him what you want. He can get it drawn up and cut out for you, ship it to you. If you want, he's got standard stuff, he's got files. He can make you small or big stuff like that. You can go all the way down to small stuff like this. Yeah, that's a proud American Bigfoot. So like I said, I'll put his email in the description. Give him a shout if you want anything. Feel free to tell him that you've seen this at On the Brink, because his lovely wife said she might give me 50 cents off the next thing I need, and as we all know, 50 cents is 50 cents. So, all right, back to it. The only other thing is we need to change the shifter before we do this, because I'm using this one. There is nothing inherently wrong with this. You absolutely could use this. However, this one is red and gold. So that's the whole reason I bought it. That's not true. This shifter, so in this one there are springs that will wear over time. This one uses stuff called Belleville washers down in here, which supposedly cannot wear. Also, this shifter is guaranteed not to miss third gear. It said the only way you're going to miss third gear is if you try and put it in third gear, right? So like when you would normally go from second to third and kind of push up and over a little bit, they say open palm, push straight up as hard as you can. It'll go into third every time, and third is the one everybody misses. So I got this from Red Roberts. I think the company's name is Driveline Components. It wasn't super easy to get. The website's a little difficult to figure out. You got to email Red, tell him what you want, and he'll make these. See, this has an offset to the driver's side 1 inch. He'll make them any way you want them. So I can't tell you for certain yet that this shifter is the bee's knees, but I'm pretty sure this thing is the bee's knees. What do you think, Kurt?
I think it is. Gotta be. It's golden red.
Yeah, I'm not putting a boot over it. It's too pretty not to look at. But we'll cross that bridge later. You guys want to peek down in here? Gears. That's where your shift knob would go through for the other location. We're gonna stick with this back one though. Kinda neat. Someday we're gonna open this up because I'm sure we'll break it. Ain't that right?
Probably.
Alex Taylor is actually the one who told me about this shifter, is the way I found it. You guys know Alex Taylor? She put this in, you guys see her when she built the Savoy with Hot Rod Garage for Roadkill Nights. They put that Hellcat with the T56 and they put this shifter in. That's how I learned about it. One more thing here I want to show you guys. Might make a whole separate video, but this is your reverse lockout solenoid here. I see a lot of guys on the internet talking about just not using it, and they say it'll go into reverse. You just got to kind of jam it in there. I don't like that. I see a lot of other guys talking about there's a spring inside there that they'll pull out and cut like a coil length off or something, and then it just falls into gear. I don't like that either. I believe reverse is right next to fifth, and if you're going that fast and you miss and go all the way to reverse, like, I don't want to, it's not worth the chance in my book. So what we've decided to do, I'll show you here. This is just your standard GM 2-prong male, or female fitting. And I got a bunch of males. We're just gonna plug that in there. And then, if you guys can listen, if you can hear it, give this thing power. Oh, you can't see. I got this on a battery here. So, Milwaukee battery. You hear it? That's all it is. So I'm gonna run these wires up to a switch on the shifter ball. It's kind of the plan. What do you say, Curtis? You ready to put this thing in?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No. No. All right. You ready to...
What are we doing? Going forward?
We're gonna move it this way and go forward, I guess. Try not to drop a transmission on our head. Oh, nope, not forward. Sorry. Right there.
Up?
Yep.
Why is this not level?
Because the one wheel lost all its bearings.
I'm about to hit the floor.
All right, hold on.
How far off already?
Quite a bit.
Can we go forward any? Because if I can go forward, I can go up more. It's where I'm at on the body. Is where
Yeah, we can go forward about 2 inches. That's good.
That's it?
Yeah.
I need more. Now I'm hitting the body with the shifter. I'm right on a ridge.
We need to go up about another 2 inches.
I can't go forward anymore though?
Maybe an inch. Oh, now you're hitting.
Let's go forward. Okay, can you drop it up? Or
Yeah.
I can do it. Or I can't see the shifter anymore. Ah, fudge. Okay, where are we hitting now?
Everything.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, we're hitting in the back. The back's gonna go my way. Oh no, and the whole thing's gotta rotate a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
The front needs to go your way and down now.
Yeah, it doesn't need to go down. I don't think it needs to go my way though.
But also, the shifter's really in the way right now.
It's so close.
It is. And you're gonna cut back about another inch.
You want me to jack the whole thing up, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, jack the whole thing up. Okay.
I think we need a little more up.
A little more?
Just a little. Try that. Go forward.
Yep. I might need to take the that off and rotate it.
Take what off?
Take this off and rotate it.
Is that going to do anything? It's in neutral.
Well, it should grab enough. I'm hoping to rotate it to try to.
You ain't gonna. There's nothing to grab onto, Curtis. Oh yeah, I'm spinning it. Nothing's happening.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, this part ain't gonna be fun.
No, it's not.
Looks pretty dang lined up though.
It is. We just need to get those splines lined up.
I wonder if I can.
Oh,
Oh, I can. Oh, I just spun it. I can spin it. The problem is I can't see what I need to be doing.
oh, neither. Yeah. No, you can't never see those. That's just best guess at this point.
Well, hold on. Maybe I can't see. There.
Oh, there it went.
I'm good at this. Basically a professional transmission installer. I kind of fell out a little bit.
Oh, I got that one with the bracket on my side.
Oh yeah, that's
The breather.
Yeah, that blows.
Have to bring it up more.
Yeah, but I just want to. Shoot.
Let's shoot.
It's hitting the transmission. This side.
Oh. Shoot indeed. I think you're hitting on top. Your shifter.
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
It will eventually, though, depending on how far we gotta go. How far do we gotta go?
We gotta cut some of this
Dang
bracket
it.
off. We're high enough, we just need to cut some of that bracket off.
Let me get a marker. Okay, so the crossmember does not work. The front of it is hitting the actual body of the transmission. Our stud is way back here. You guys read that? I wrote stud there. So we need to make all of this disappear. Essentially, the way Kurt just said it, it's about the best way to explain it. Taking this original mount here and moving it back is what we need. So, not Barry's fault. We were kind of guessing at what we're doing. I think what we're talking about doing now is we're going to hack this off and make sure it does fit. That way, we're probably going to give it back to Barry and have him cut a whole new piece.
Make a whole new piece.
We'll see what it looks like. We're going to hack this off and see how it looks. Okay,
Now let's take some of the sharp edges off.
that wheel's done.
Why is that wheel done?
Look at the size of it. It's shredded to nothing. Okay, transmission's in the truck. We officially have swapped a T56 into a Silverado. A little bit of wrestling, but I don't think it was as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No, it actually went in there pretty decent.
We do have to do some modifications to the Crossmember. Not super surprised, so I mean it's in there, but it's not in there. I'll get that sorted out and we'll get that put back up in there. And then I got to get measurements for my drive shaft and get that on order. But that's it. I think we got the shifter. The hole turned out to be a little bigger than I like. I might make this 2 inches longer, but I haven't fully decided yet. But we have a shift stick, a third pedal, and 6 forward gears.
Yep.
I'm pretty excited. Okay, next video on this one will be probably drive shaft if you guys want to see that. Or we got, we're gonna make a whole list of everything that needs done to make it run. And this sucker is on the way to being on the road. So until next time, we'll see you guys in the future.